Come unbox the FocusFox with me. Pull the ribbon to open the box. Now, this is the user manual. Some freebie stickers. And this is the hardware. And this is the charging cable. Plug the cable in and turn on the device. This is the device ID and details. These are the buttons. Select mode by clicking left button. Set up Wi-Fi through your phone. Find sttv_ap and enter password 12345678. Wi-Fi manager will open. Connect with your 4G network available in your home. Wait for 30 seconds. After connection, you will see I as internet mode, and if O is display, then it means offline mode. Then this is trust, threshold, main timer, Wi-Fi name and real date and time. By clicking this button, you can set threshold. Threshold is the range of detection. It will be the length of your table plus 5 cm. Then pressing this button for 6 to 7 seconds, it will change the mode from online to offline and offline to online. Short click of this button will reset Wi-Fi details. Long press of button makes it enter into real date and time edit mode. Left button known as A will change the hour, minute, second, date, month and year. Right button will change and increase the value. To save the time, long press the A button, the left one. You are good to go after setting up Wi-Fi real date and time and threshold. To factory reset, press both buttons together for 10 seconds.